before we talk about this topic, let me underline the goal. I want you to understand that not filing your taxes in Italy is not a smart move. So if you're wondering what happens if you gamble with the Italian Revenue Agency and hope to hide your fiscal information, this is what's going to happen. As soon as your codice fiscale pops up and appears somewhere, it's registered as a customer for a bill or a client for a bank account or whatever, you're under the tax radar, period. Your silence about filing and about taxes in general may lead the Agenzia delle Entrate to knock on your door and start cross-checking data available in different databases in their hands. They can see if the taxpayer has paid enough taxes and if the payments were performed on time according to the tax return deadlines. The Italian Revenue Agency may want to deepen your situation a little bit more with paper-based controls. They send you a letter with a written request to show papers documents in regard to certain matters, for example, foreign assets or fiscal residency. You then need to go to the tax office in person or delegate someone to do it on your behalf to provide such information. And if you don't know how to handle it, or simply you don't have the right cards to play in your hands, you may get heavy fines and sanctions due to missing the returns, as well as recalculation of your tax liability, plus fines, plus penalties, up to 240% per year. Now you may think, well, everything I have is abroad and I work for foreign clients or for a foreign company, right? I feel bad for you. Different countries, jurisdictions, and territories are cooperating together in exchanging tax information. So, if you think that hiding or digging your assets under your name in a foreign jurisdiction in order to get rid of taxes is a good idea, well, I don't agree with you. Every year, the Italian tax office receives billions of files, numbers, information from other countries in regards to the Italian taxpayers, those who have the codice fiscale, remember. So the tax office runs cross-checks to find out if the taxpayer has filed taxes and disclosed the foreign revenues or assets, and if not, they will issue a nice letter outlining the total bill to pay. Oh, in case you're thinking, well, I've never filed my taxes, why do I start now? The Italian Revenue Agency has 8 years to run an investigation of your current tax information. There is nothing you can do about it. So the question here is, what's your call now?